What's going on, guys? Blake here at Leash K9 Training, Georgia. Here we have Captain, a 7-month-old Australian Shepherd. Captain's here to work on some anxiety he has around kids. He'll chase and nip them a little bit, kind of natural to the breed, so we're here to work on that. He also gets distracted through his commands as well, so we're working on foolproofing those. He has done a few things already, such as come, sit down, shake, and speak. So we'll put all those to the test real quick. Captain, sit. Oh, good job, down. Captain, down. No, down. No, in place. Boy, sit. Oh, it's a good place. Ah. Boy. Captain, come. Sit. Come. Come. Sit. Kinda, John. Heel. Captain, heel. John, heel. Heel. Now where are you going? Come here. So as you see, he did pretty good with those so far. He wouldn't really hold them through any distractions. So check back in 2 weeks and see all of our progress. Captain, come. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah, come here. Sit. Break. Yeah, good job. That's a good boy. Captain, come. Good boy. Good boy, Captain. Here, sit. Break. Yeah, good job. Sit. Good boy. Down. Good boy. Break. Yeah. Good job. Good boy.